How to get community tab on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can get community tab on your channel. So firstly, there are a few requirements that you need to proceed. Firstly, your channel has to have more than 500 subscribers. And then after a week or two, you will be eligible to get the community tab. So open up your channel, click on manage videos. So open up your channel and simply click on the upload button. After that, you will see a third option, which is going to be create post. Click on that, and now you will be able to add anything that you want, any image, any poll, any video for all your subscribers to talk about and also to vote on. And also you can see what your subscribers want to see. So then you can really create good content that is going to really benefit them. So that is how you guys will be able to post in the community. There is no other way to get the community section. You will just have to wait until your channel has 500 subs, and then eventually you will have your community section come up. But if you don't have 500 subs, just wait for it, and then eventually when you get them, you will be able to get the community tab easily, automatically like this. Simply click on the create button from the top right and create post. So this is how you guys can post and get the community tab. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and also share the video as well. Take care till next time. Goodbye.